my channel. Today is going to be a power hour. I have a list made and I'm going to set my phone for 1 hour and I'm going to see how much I can get done. It is not promised that I will get a lot done because my 2.5-year-old is asleep, so that kind of limits some of the things that are on my list that I need to do, like vacuuming and whatnot. And my 3-month-old is currently making noises at me from her swing, so it really kind of depends on her and how she has been. Today is also a collab with my good friend Ashley Potter. She has a YouTube channel called The Potter Pack, and she is also on Instagram. I will leave all the information that you need up on the screen and down in the description box. But Ashley is a wonderful person. She is a nutritional coach and also does YouTube videos. She's very active on her Instagram, so if you love her and you want to subscribe to her channel, do that. Then go over to Instagram and follow her because I love watching her stories. She's a very straight up real mama and just kind of tells you how it is. And I love that about her. She is also pregnant with her 4th baby and is going to be a sweet baby girl. So I'm excited to just see her go through this journey, and she's also doing Vlogmas this year. So go over her channel, tell her I sent you, and subscribe if you love her videos. So let's go ahead and get into this. I don't have much time, so we need to get started. Hey guys, so disclaimer before we go ahead and get started. This is like 7 hours from the time that I originally started filming the intro, but I was not able to do a power hour then, and sometimes that's just how it is. I did not have time to do it because my littlest was just having a fussy day and I needed to be there for her. So now that dinner is done, I have a couple things on my list that I need to get done just before I kind of wind down for the night, and I'll go ahead and show you what that is. So I just need to fold the whites because I had washed them earlier today, like our towels and our bed sheets. I need to vacuum both of the girls' rooms, and I just need to clean up the kitchen. The kitchen is actually not that dirty. My husband already kind of cleaned up most of dinner, but I need to go through and wipe down the stove and the counters and just kind of clean up the sink and whatnot and figure out if I could do something with all that stuff over there. And then our dining room table is just kind of a hot mess. Emma's food is still there. I need to put the car seat away, and I have some Christmas presents that need to go in Christmas present pile and whatnot. And I will see if I will probably actually just leave that mess there because she's going to be playing with that in a little bit, and Chloe will probably be on the mat here soon. So let's go ahead and get this done and get it over with.
To you.
recap, I got all 3 things done on my list. I got both rooms clean, the whole kitchen clean, including the dining room table, and I folded all the whites. And I did that, I think my husband said I did it in less than 40 minutes. So now it's almost bedtime for the girls, and I'm gonna go ahead and get them laid down for the night, and I will see you guys next time. Please go ahead and subscribe. I will be uploading quite a bit during Vlogmas. It will not be every day. It's just not realistic for me at this time in my life with a newborn and a toddler, and I'm like out of breath because I try to do that really fast. But hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, and I will notify you when I upload. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.